Hi everyone, welcome to Tea Series. I'm going to talk about a few idioms about tea. Let's get started. So tea is a really important part of many cultures. For example, in Japan and in China, they have tea ceremonies, even as part of their weddings. In South Asia, in countries like India and Pakistan, chai is a very special part of daily life. In England, tea is a really important part of the British culture. So a friend would say to you, "Fancy a cuppa?" which means, "Would you like a cup of tea?" I personally love tea. I have 3 or 4 cups every day. What about you? So let's start with phrase number 1, which is not my cup of tea. This idiom means that you don't like something. So I could say, I enjoy watching comedy and drama, but horror movies aren't my cup of tea. So I don't like them at all. How about you? What isn't your cup of tea? The second one is to spill the tea. If you spill the tea, you're telling someone information that was meant to be private and secret. So I could say, I shouldn't spill the tea, but did you know that Janet and Mike are dating? Or I could say, come on, spill the tea. What happened at the party last night? So I am asking my friend to tell me what happened at the party, even though it's meant to be secret or private. Number 3 is a storm in a teacup. This means that you're making a big fuss about something that's actually very small. When my sister and I were young, we would fight about who would wash up the dishes after dinner. It was actually a really small thing, but we made it a big thing. We made it a storm in a teacup. Let's go through the phrases again. Number 1, not my cup of tea. Number 2, to spill the tea. And number 3, a storm in a teacup. I hope you use these phrases next time you talk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.